Okay, so we got the new graphic and the new header graphic in, which is great, but let's address this sales message here. Sales message goes here. So let's go and change that. Okay, so once again, we're going to be doing this via FTP. So I hope you have your FTP client or application handy. And again, we're going to go on a bit of a magical mystery tour to go and find the file that we need. What I'm doing here on the server side is I navigated all the way up to the top of my Zencart installation, just so you know where the starting point is. So again, this is the parent directory here. We're looking for a specific PHP file. So head into includes once again, this time into languages, and then into English, your English folder there, and then look for a file called header.php. Should be in here somewhere. There he is, header.php. All right. So same as before, whether it's an external style sheet file, whether it's a graphic, the same process applies here. I grab the file from the remote side and I download them to the local side. Again, in my example, he's down on my desktop now, right? So I'm going to go and grab that file. Just bear with me for a second here. Let's go and hide everything. And there's my header.php file. Don't flip out because it has an extension that ends in .php. It is a code-based file, but again, if you know how to use a keyboard, I'm not expecting that you have any, web design prowess or anything like this. Even if you have zero experience, you're going to do just fine here. So as before, what we'll do is we'll open this guy up in our text editor. Coda, text edit, Notepad, Dreamweaver would be fine. Don't use Word. Don't use OpenOffice Writer. Go ahead and grab an application that you want to use to edit this file. There we go. All right. Now, as you can see, it's a fairly short file, which is great. Now, what I'd like you to do is look for a piece of code that says header sales text tagline here. If you happen to be in an application that has line numbers, it's line number 22. And all you need to do is replace this piece of text here with whatever sales message you want, right? Now be careful. Notice that we have single quotes on either side. Don't toast the single quotes, just the text inside there. So maybe what I'll do is I'll put in something like, I don't know, don't use any apostrophes, a little bit more advanced. Here's Jeff's sales message. You can't use apostrophes. I think, I'm going from memory, I think it's a / and then an apostrophe, or maybe it's a backslash. It's been a while. There it is. I think it's a backslash. Let me try that, just in case you happen to want apostrophes. And it would help if I put the apostrophes in the right spot. That's always helpful. Okay, there we go. All right, that's it. That's all we need to do. Just change that line of text. Again, don't toast the quotes or you'll be toast. Okay.